It's not a magic trick, it's a little science experiment. You put a glass of water upside down in the water. It can be easily punched without breaking. This is the cushioning power of water. Put the battery close to the steel wool. It burns immediately, and it weighs 10 grams more than before. You know why? Put a plastic plate on top of 3 magnets. Spin a gyroscope on it. Lift the bottom plate slowly. Remove the base plate. The gyroscope is spinning in the air. This is how a maglev train works. Put some detergent on a green leaf. Put the leaf in the sink. The leaf becomes a speedboat. Put 5 broken toothpicks together. A few drops of water in the center. The toothpicks will be gathered into a 5-pointed star. Put tape on a balloon filled with water. Pierce it with a needle. The jet of water seems to be still. That's laminar flow. Unscrew the can. It won't open. Cross your fingers. Press your palms against the lid, and the can is opened. It's better to experiment with your child.